Wrong note, Tree of Charge on that one. But anyway, hey, we're going to get into Give to Live by Sammy Hagar off the I Never Said Goodbye album from '87, I think it was. This was the album right after the first VH album that he was a part of and before OU812. So we're going to get into it. I'm kind of taking some liberties here. The key is going to be the same no matter which version you listen to. There is the version off of that album. There is also the live acoustic version off of the live VH album right here, right now. So same key. So no big deal there. It's all good. But there's a little, again, the studio version, there's more organ guitar, whereas again, solo acoustic, you got more of the acoustic guitar. So we're going to concentrate on some of those fills that he did on the on that live version, but they'll work together. I'm going to try to make it as simple as we can. At the very end of the live version, it kind of goes off on just kind of ad-libbing a little bit. We won't get into that, but you can figure it out just with the chords we learn here. So let's get into it, all right? Give to Live, Sammy Hagar. All right, so pretty straightforward with these chords. We're going to go E minor, A, D, G, and those are the main chords for this song. There's a B minor in here, and the bridge we kind of throw a C in there. But let's just kind of get into the verse, because it all comes in. There's no intro. It's like, I can see, right? So what we're doing there is E minor, A, to a D. Now we're going into a G, but we're playing the G where we've got the B in the root, the bass. So if you even play a full G chord, it's fine. But I'm trying to avoid this string right here, okay? So. And then we go to the full G. We're putting that G in the bass then. All right, so again. I can see you got fun. That little fill there, we're just going from a D suspended and pulling off to a D. So you can make it your own. I pull that pinky off from the second to the third to the second fret and hit the B string. Make it your own though, it's all good. Okay? We're going to repeat the beginning of that again. E minor. A. And we go to a B minor. To a G. Oh, baby. Okay? Don't give up. So that's going to be an A. And I bar this. And here's why. You don't have to, but I bar it. All right? It's loud. I get the bass note here on the A, open A. And I'm going to take my middle finger and I'm going to hit that root note of the bass note for that G. So, and I'm going to pick 3 strings, I think. So that's why I leave this here, because it allows me to just walk that bass line in a way, okay? So I bar it. G, F sharp, open E. Okay, so the open A string for your bass right there. 3rd fret on 6. 2nd fret on 6. Open on 6. If you want love, you gotta give it all. So again, chorus is D to a G to the A. And I do a suspended to 4th. See that? Oh, that was right. Repeat. And then we kind of hold it here because there's live version, there's this fill. And it's just, I think, basically just walking a D major scale. All right, that's all it is. So on the 2nd string, 3-2, open. So 2nd string, 3-2, open. Third string, 2, open. Fourth string, 4, 2, open, but you could also throw in the D chord on that open. All that is. At least that's what I hear. If not, it sounds pretty good, so do that. Okay? Because we're going to come into that D anyway, so it'll sound like this. B minor. You've gotta give. G. You gotta give. You gotta give. So that F sharp minor is where the chorus ends. Right? And it comes to that B minor. So it'll be this. Gotta give, gotta give, you gotta give to live. And I'm start arpeggiating those notes. Okay, everything's gonna repeat now. So we did verse, chorus. Verse, chorus is gonna happen again. The bridge is a little different, only because we're throwing in the C chord now. Came out of nowhere. Actually, you can actually hear the change easily because we haven't played one yet. All right, so C to a G to a D to an A, and there's a fill in there, and I don't know what that one is though. Okay, so again, repeating the C to the G, and then when it comes to the A, we walk it down again. And if you listen to the live version, this he stops and he goes, "It smells good in here." So that's the, so if you just want to kind of align yourself with parts of the song, and it goes back into everything. So we do that, and then you'll start to hear some variations on the live version. There is I don't know exactly where it is, but it goes into the third verse again, a third verse. And then at one point you'll hear a slide. So I don't remember exactly where that comes in. It'll sound like that. And all he's doing is taking the G chord and he's sliding the whole chord, but he's emphasizing the third fret of the second and first strings. Okay? Right, and then you'll hear towards the end he starts going, give a little bit, give a little. So it just, and again, he just kind of playing the chorus over. Give a little bit, give a little bit. I gotta give, you gotta give. So you're just kind of ad-libbing. You do the same too if you want to. But that's kind of the basics of the song. For the most part, those are the bones. If you want to add to it, go for it. But that's kind of just a basic structure. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please like the video if you did. It helps me out a lot, believe it or not. And I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully subscribe so you know when it's coming out, all right? Who knows? One's coming soon. See you later.